Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. I figured I'd make a little video about walking around the pond and showing you how the plants are reacting to me being here and being able to water them during this exceptional drought here at the ranch. Let's take a walk. Here we are on the south end of the pond. This is one of the happiest moringas I have here so far. Got a good variety of insects that are taking advantage of the nectar from this plant. I've had some new leaves spring up here since I've been here watering. These have come to life. The flowers have filled out more as well. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. No signs of life from this other moringa over here. Moringas are pretty tough though. You want to give it a good year. If you don't see any signs of life after that, more than likely it's not going to come back. But we'll see if this thing comes up next monsoon season when the temperatures are warmer and there's more water available. You can see the wildlife has been taking advantage of the native grasses here. Have eaten them all down to the ground. You can see inside this little fenced area where that pecan tree was. They're still there. This pecan tree's dead. At least I'm pretty sure it is. I'll leave it there for a while, but the little baby pecan tree is dead. This one, the leaves have greened up on it a little bit since I've been watering it. It's starting to go dormant. You know, it is the season when it should be dormant. This is the first tree I planted out here, pecan tree. It still grew about 18 inches, about half a meter through this exceptional drought we have here. So I'm pretty happy with how much it grew this year. It's got some green leaves on it, as you can see. It's greened up a little bit since I've been watering. English walnut is dead. This is my little retainer wall I was building. Still in the process of. This English walnut is dead. All the English walnuts died. If you didn't catch the video when I was talking about them the first time. They didn't have enough of a root system to take the drought. This is one of the almonds, Mission Texas almonds. It's got some green in its bark and it's got one little tiny leaf. See if I can find it there. Yeah, these Mission Texas almonds are pretty tough. This one looks alright. It doesn't have any leaves on it, but you can still see the green in the bark. This almond tree looks the best out of them, at least as far as signs of life. It's got a few leaves on it, very small, but it does have leaves. So these 3 Mission Texas almonds are the only trees out of the 9 that I planted. The Chinese chestnut are dead. Yeah, these little leaves have perked up and greened up since I've been watering it. These moringa have come to life quite a bit. You can see it's got some young flower buds trying to come out. I don't know if it'll flower or not. These are looking pretty good. This one has some flower buds as well. Yeah, they've definitely greened up since I've been here watering them. This one already went dormant for the season. You can still see the green in the stem though, along with this one. It'll be nice and shady in this little patch when these moringa get going next summer. If we get some rain, of course. The baccaris has come in nicely along the pond, producing a good bit of organic material. Yeah, I just need to be here to water these things in these little dry patches when they're not going to make it without some. All in all, looks like they're pretty happy I'm here. Hopefully they'll make it till the next monsoon season starts and things will be better this next coming year. We'll see. See you on the next one.